Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am on with what you guys might not even believe is my very first order from Echo Park. I have watched a lot of you haul, have some wonderful hauls, and I've seen some things across, some time, and I was like, okay, I need to go ahead and probably make a purchase from them because, as you know, I tend to deal with a lot of florals and vintage looks. And a while ago I said I wanted to expand my horizon and have some different colors in my stash. Well, Echo Park, this warehouse sale that they had a little while ago, where all of the kits were a majority of the kits were $8, was phenomenal, because even though it was $8 for the kit, you still got a small discount after you purchased so much. So I'm very pleased with what I got. So let me show you. Okay. So one of the pads that I got was London. I just love the colors. I love the designs. Love the sticker sheet. This is a Cartabella paper pad. I just love the colors. I just love how this looks. It's so pretty. And this was naturally $8. Like I said, everything that you're gonna see in a minute, I got for $8, okay? That one to the side. I got fashion. I thought this was the cutest thing. Oh my gosh, I just thought it was so adorable. Oh my goodness. And then when I saw the sticker sheet, oh wow. Love it. It would not be me if I did not get Honeybee. Now, on the screen, it looks one way, but when I saw this in person, the colors are vibrant, it's gorgeous, it's pretty, and I was like, oh my word. Then when I saw the sticker sheet, I was like, this is really wonderful. So what I'm going to have to do in the future is, whenever they have these warehouse sales, I'm going to have to pay attention to it. And this is really pretty. I love this. This is another one by what? Cartabella, okay? This is one that shocked me. Once again, it looked one way on the screen. When I saw it in person, I was like, it was just breathtaking to me. The colors are just breathtaking to me. And that's Bloom. This is so pretty to me. Oh, it's a Cartabella one, but it is so pretty. And then when I had a chance to take and see the sticker sheet, it's just, this is up my alley. Y'all know this is up my alley. This is gorgeous, right? So pretty. This is what got me. This is just beautiful. I got here, there, and everywhere. It's another Cartabella. Gorgeous. Fun. This is cute. This is really cute. Okay. I got Metropolitan Girl. This is what a Cartabella one as well. I like this a lot. I love this. Then I love the sticker sheet. Now I see where they have a sale on the sticker sheets, and I'm gonna be really candid. I might have to go back and get myself one or two of these. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. I love it. I love it. I got myself a Vintage Market. This is another Cartabella one. I only got one of these. This is really, I don't know, it's just pretty. I love the colors. I love the hue. This is pretty. I like it a lot. I like it. What's got me is I'm just amazed at these wonderful kits. And I can feel that they're not, I can feel there's a good weight on the paper. $8. Wow. I got Paris. This is cute. I don't know if I'll do something for my grandbabies or, use it in a journal. This is so pretty to me. Oh, I think I saw this sticker sheet on the $1 sticker sheet Star Spangled Banner sale as well. I might go back and get some more of these. This is gorgeous. This is it's just beautiful. I got Be Happy. This is cute. I like this. Pretty little vibrant colors. And it's got the what? Bee on here? Bee and me? I only got one of these, and I'm going to have to wait until they go back on sale. Well, I don't know if I will, but when they go back on sale, if they go back on sale, I'm going to get myself another one of these. I specifically got this pad because it says craft and create. And I thought about, you know, my crafting community. If I decide to send something, I want to make something, I probably would want to make it out of this. Just, you know, for measures, because I just like everything that's on here and the colors are beautiful. This is another Cartabella one. And then here's a sticker sheet. These sticker sheets are just to die for. These are so cute. I just like this. This is nice. A lot. I like it. And then I got cartography. I thought this was adorable. This is another Cartabella one. So adorable. And then I don't usually do a lot of Winnie the Pooh. I don't do a lot of paper crafting, but I liked how this Winnie the Pooh looked. And then it was $8, so I got this one. Here's a little sticker sheet. Thought it was adorable. I have a friend, one of my girlfriends, her daughter is expecting. And so I said, well, you know what? This might be kind of neat. This might be kind of neat to do like a little baby journal or something for her. This is adorable. It's amazing. Whenever people are having babies, one of the first places they go, because I went there, is Winnie the Pooh. Especially if it's going to be a little boy. Oh, this is adorable. And then I got Winnie the Winter Pooh. Well, Winnie the Pooh Autumn. I'm sorry. I saw this on officesupply.com, but I think it was like $12 or $13 on officesupply.com, and then they had it here for $8, and I was like, and I pondered over it. I promise you, I pondered over it for a good little minute. I was like, let me go ahead and get it. So I got this one. And because I like London so much, I got myself a few extra, what are these, London Examiner sheets. I just thought it was just cute. I just like this. And here's the other side of it. This was a good haul. I mean, yeah, to me. In terms of prices for paper kits, I think this was just amazing. And I see where they have some things that are out there for like $5 now. Because I've stocked up on these, I don't know if I'm going to go back out there unless it's one of these that I'm looking for again. I don't know if I'm going to go right back out there right now, but I can say that because of you all, I am glad that I decided to go ahead and buy a couple of, well, more than a couple, I'm sorry, but because of you all, I'm glad that I went ahead and picked up these paper pads because I've been missing out. I have been missing out. And what makes it even better is that, okay, it's a kit. And so whenever I would decide I wanted to work on something, if I have these themes in mind, all I have to do is just reach for it. The stickers are there, everything is there, and I just keep going. So everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to watch me cover my very first Echo Park haul. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me. And as always, be good to yourself and craft. I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care.